everybody, welcome back. As in the previous video, we have seen what is migraine and what triggers migraine. Today in this video, we will be knowing what are the remedies in order to treat migraine. So in that first will be the ice pack. The ice pack will help to reduce the blood flow to the your brain. As I said, higher blood flow to the brain causes the migraine. So when you do this ice pack or ice massage to your neck part, I mean to the cervical region, and also keep a compress, like take a ice towel or cold towel and keep it on your head, which will help you to reduce the blood flow and will reduce the pain. The second will be exposure to bright light and noise. So when you expose to bright light or a noisy area, it will increase your pain. So try to avoid bright light and noisy places. Exercising every day or during the attack, like few minutes or 1 hour of the attack, start doing exercises, so which will help to release endorphin. Endorphin is something which will act as a painkiller in the body. So when you do exercises, it will help you to reduce the pain. Next one is magnesium rich foods. When you have migraine, it is that you have a lower magnesium in your body. So I'm not saying during the attack if you take magnesium rich food will reduce your pain, but on the daily basis, if you start taking magnesium rich foods, it will help you to reduce the frequencies of the attack. So magnesium rich foods are something which are green leafy vegetables, nuts, seeds and whole grains. So when you take all these things in your diet in a daily basis, your magnesium will come to normal range and it will help you to reduce the frequencies. Next thing will be your sleep. So having too much sleep or too little sleep will aggravate your migraine. So every person should have minimum of 7.5 to 8 hours of sleep every day. So having sleep in daytime doesn't help you. Try to have your sleep on the nights. So when you sleep in the nights, your brain gets proper rest, which will help you to reduce the frequencies of migraine. Next point will be your acupuncture. So acupuncture is the best treatment for migraine, as when you take acupuncture, it will release endorphins. Endorphins, as I said earlier, it will act as a painkiller. So taking acupuncture also will help you. Next will be your water intake. So being hydrated will help for the migraine. So when your body goes to dehydration, that will increase the contractions in the brain. By creating a pressure, it will increase the headaches. So take more water to be hydrated to prevent the headaches. Patients who are suffering from migraine will have a nauseative feeling, which means only the feeling of vomiting will be there. So when you have this, take a ginger and start biting it. When you bite it, that will help you to reduce the feeling of vomiting. So these are the things which should be followed for the person who is having migraine. This will help you to come out of migraine or reduce the frequencies of migraine attacks. In the next video, I will come up with a new information. Until then, it's bye-bye from Dr. Jyoti. Take care.